Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add reviews onto your Shopify store by using Judge Me. To start off, you will need Shopify Premium. For this tutorial, I was going to use my trial, which ends on April the 25th. You're going to add apps, open Shopify store, or you can just press add onto the Judge Me product reviews. You're going to install the app. Choose your current live theme. For me personally, I would choose this widget with the comments on. Install the widgets. And press explore. Then these are where you want to do your reviews. So if you want to add a review, press import reviews. Use Judge Me. Press my reviews are in English only. Press next. And here you can choose a file which of course you want to add in your review. So here you can export reviews. You can import reviews. So you can add if you like it or not, etc, etc, and you can choose the type of file that you want to. You can do a Q&A, which allows you to, of course, give questions to people if they like the products or not. You can export these reviews, so if you don't want certain reviews, etc, or you just want to delete them. And here it tells you all of the apps that you can use. So of course we want to use the Judge Me app into the Shopify store. You can import the review, press next, and then it'll tell you through the steps. But also make sure that you do have an online store. If you don't have an online store, all of these Judge Me reviews are not going to be onto your store. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.